Look at this YouTube channel. It has crossed over 150,000 subscribers with just 40 videos. This one, it gained 100,000 subscribers with only 50 videos. Meanwhile, this one reached 10,000 subscribers with just 10 videos. These 2D animation channels are pulling in millions of views and making thousands of dollars every month, just by creating simple 2D animation videos like this. And here's the crazy part. Right now, you can create these exact same videos completely free because for a limited time, all new users get a full 24 hours of unlimited access to every top AI model in one place. The world's best video model, Seedance 2.0, Google's Gemini Omni Flash, Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, and every other top AI models, images, videos, and audio. Unlimited for a full day. Completely free. And I'll show you how you can create these exact 2D animation YouTube videos using just a single storyboard image like this. And then you turn that one image into a full 2D animation story video with just a single prompt like this. No complicated setup, no expensive 2D animation software, no drawing skills, nothing else. I'll show you everything step by step, so anyone can learn this and create their own 2D animation story videos in just a few minutes. So without wasting time, but before we get into it, if you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and on this channel, I show you the best AI tools and how to use them in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe, because this one is a perfect example. First, go to Higgsfield AI. Do not worry, I have added the unlimited offer page link in the description. Open that link and click on the Unlimited Offer tab. Now sign up with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. Or, if you want to use a separate email, you can also sign up with your email address. After logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. And here, you can see the offer saying that Seedance 2.0 and all the top models are unlimited. So, click on this offer and claim it. All new users get a full 24 hours of unlimited access to all top models on the Higgsfield website, including Seedance 2.0, completely free. If it is not for you, just cancel within 24 hours and you pay nothing. Otherwise, the subscription will continue. This offer begins on Tuesday, July 21st at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and runs through Thursday, July 23rd at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here, you can see all available plans. Every new user gets 24 hours of unlimited free access to all top AI models. And if you upgrade your plan to Pro or Max, you get 7 more days of unlimited access to all top AI models. So, you can choose any paid plan and get 7 extra days of unlimited access. After claiming your offer, let's test these models. Let's make an AI animation story. First, go to ChatGPT or Claude to create your storyboard prompt. Before creating the storyboard, we first need a story idea. If you already have a story idea, that is perfect. But if you do not have one yet, you can use this prompt to generate new ideas for your story. For example, I want to create a 2D animation short story, so give me 5 creative, engaging, and unique ideas for my story. Now press Enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create 5 original and emotional 3D cartoon short animation story ideas. For example, The Boy Who Collected Forgotten Sounds, The Moon's Tiny Tailor, The Shadow That Was Afraid of the Dark, and The Last Paper Boat, and last, The Painter Who Could Erase Sadness. You can choose any story idea you like. If you do not like the ideas, you can generate more ideas again. After selecting your story idea, copy my storyboard image master prompt. This master prompt is also available in the video description, so do not worry. Just copy the complete master prompt. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste it into a new chat. At the top and the bottom of this prompt, you will see a section for the story title. This is where you need to enter your selected story title. For this video, I am choosing this story idea, The Shadow That Was Afraid of the Dark. So, I will copy this title and paste it into the story title section. Do not change anything else in the master prompt. Just add your story title and press Enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create your complete storyboard image prompt. As you can see here, this full prompt includes the complete story, character details, and all 12 storyboard panels. Now, simply copy the complete prompt. You can also use the copy button to copy it directly. Next, I want to create my storyboard image using the GPT Image 2 model. For this, simply we go on Higgsfield AI, the best AI website. I highly recommend Higgsfield AI because it is one of the best platforms for content creators. On Higgsfield, you can access many AI image and video models in one place, including the latest released AI models. Okay, after logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. From the top menu, go to the Image tab and choose the GPT Image 2 model. Now, for image creation, you will see a dashboard like this. If you have any reference images, you can upload them here. You can upload up to 16 images. But for this example, we do not have any reference images, so we will only use our prompt. We already copied our prompt, so now we simply paste it here. Next, choose your model. We already selected GPT Image 2, but if it is not selected on your side, then choose it here. After that, choose the image quality as high. Next, choose the image resolution. It supports up to 4K, so for this image, I will select 4K. Now choose the image aspect ratio. By default, it is set to auto, but for this image I want 16:9, so I will select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, choose how many images you want to generate. For example, I want 2 images, so I select 2. After selecting everything, I click on the Generate button, and after a few seconds, my 2 images are ready. You can see them here. The storyboard includes the story title, The Shadow That Was Afraid of the Dark, along with 12 image panels. On the right side, you can see all the character details, along with other important elements and prop details. And on the bottom side, you can see all the story details. Once you are satisfied with your storyboard image, just click on the Download button to save it. Or, if you want to create it again, simply click on the Recreate button. So, we download this image. Now, after downloading and preparing your storyboard image, the next step is to turn this image into a video using Seedance 2.0. For this image-to-video process, we need a full detailed prompt for Seedance, so now we go back to ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT also created my storyboard image here. You can choose whichever image matches your story best and use that one for your video. Let's move to the next step. First, upload your selected storyboard image here. After uploading the image, go to my prompt library and copy the Seedance 2.0 prompt for converting a storyboard image into a video. Copy the complete prompt, go back to ChatGPT, attach your storyboard image, paste the prompt, and press Enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a new detailed Seedance 2.0 video prompt with the full story sequence and timing. Now, copy this complete prompt and go back to Higgsfield AI. Here, go to the video section and select the Seedance 2.04K model. You will see a dashboard like this. First, upload your storyboard image. You can upload it using the Upload Media button, so I upload it. Next, paste your Seedance 2.0 prompt here. After adding your prompt, always check that your image is attached to the prompt correctly. If the image is not attached, type @image in your prompt and connect the uploaded image in the correct place. Next, choose your model. We already selected Seedance 2.04K, but if it is not selected on your side, choose it here. Now choose your video duration. The default duration is 8 seconds, but for this video, I need a longer result, so I select 15 seconds. Next, choose the video aspect ratio. For this example, I select 16:9. Then choose your video resolution, 1080p or 4K. After selecting everything, click on the Generate button, and the video generation process will begin. After a few seconds, my video is ready. Let's watch the result. It looks really amazing. The AI created the full video according to the scenes and panels in my storyboard image. And that's it. You now know how to turn one storyboard image into a full animation story video using every top AI model completely free. Remember, All new users get a full 24 hours of unlimited access. And if you love it, you can continue with the Plus plan for 7 more days and cancel in one click during the first day if it's not for you. But this offer is only live for a limited time, so go grab your free access now. The link, plus all my animation prompts, are down in the description. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I share AI tricks like this every single week. And tell me in the comments, what's the first animation you'll create? Best idea gets pinned. Now click the video on your screen to keep going. I'll see you in the next one.